I can see the light from your bedroom door. You've been staying up late, I don't know what for. Let's watch the spinning blade to the ceiling fan. Let's count the running sheep, come on, take my hand. Come on and take my. I can be a sunset you will be the light in my darkest place. I can be a sunset you will be the light in my darkest place. Don't you know you'll never fly with a broken wing? Truth be told, I try the same damn thing. Let's watch the spinning blade to the ceiling fan. Let's count the running sheep, come on in, take my hand. I can be a sunset you will be the light in my darkest place. I can be a sunset you will be the light in my darkest place. You can see the light from my bedroom door. I've been staying up late, I don't know what for. But I'm here if you need. I'm here if you need me now. But I'm here if you need. I'm here if you need me now.
Oh my God, you know what I want. You know that you got me, yeah, you got my heart. Come to me and slow for me, towards me, yeah. I'm following you, take me up into the sky. Take me up into the sky, the sky. Into the sky. Oh my God, you know what I want. You know that you got me, yeah, you got my heart. Come to me and slow for me, towards me, yeah. I'm following you, take me up into the sky.
many nights I wanted freedom, wishing I had the chance to just let go. Yeah, I used to crave to go out drinking, and now I drink here alone, here alone. They say the grass is always greener if you look out to the other side. I thought that I had heard her calling, but what I heard was just a lie. 'Cause since the day I walked out that door, I thought I would be just fine. But it turns out that everything that I need, it all just got left behind. I saw the writing on the wall. How could I be so damn blind and not see what's already mine? And now I've let it go, let it go. They say the grass is always greener if you look out to the other side. I thought that I had heard her calling, but what I heard was just a lie. Since the day I walked out the door, I thought I would be just fine. But it turns out that everything that I need, it all just got left behind.
Told me that I always had to be good, but being good always bring problems, it's true. So I learned it, and now I know I don't wanna